Good afternoon to all of you, all the delegates and distinguished guests. See, I on behalf of BWSSB, first thankful to Outlook to call BWSSB and made BWSSB as one of our partner for this event, this award ceremony. See, normally water is a area which normally we are thinking, especially being in a government department, that the investment only is required and the recovery chances are very limited here. But what BWSSB has done in especially last 1 decades, they made water also one of the source for generating revenue for our system. BWSSB is established in 1964 and first of its own kind of water supply board, which actually duty is to supply safe drinking water to Bangalore city and collect the sewage generated and treat and for the safe disposal. But actually the Bangalore has one limitation. We don't have any our surface water source in Bangalore city. So whatever the water we are supplying in Bangalore city, we are bringing from the Kaveri source, which is 100 kilometer away from the city, and with the altitude of around 500 meter. So every drop of the water which is reaching in Bangalore, it is very costly. Literally, currently it is 51 rupees per kiloliter. So such water when we are supplying and we are providing to the 14 million people of city, so that is also a challenge for us. But as the demand grows and the supply requirement is more, so we need source to be generated in different other aspects also. So currently what we are doing, we are taking wastewater also as a source of our water supply system in Bangalore city. And BWSSB has already enforced and made a mandatory system for all the construction activity. They need to take the treated water for the construction purpose. Similarly, we are also encouraging the industries. So whenever we reach to the Bangalore, whatever the greenery you have seen in the airport also, they are using our treated water only. And even the companies like Bharat Electronics Limited, Indian Railway Factory, Indian Air Force, even our in Governor House, we are supplying our treated water for non-potable purpose. So in this way, we are generating revenue also for our BWSSB system. Other than that, for in last 1 decade, if you'll see, we have done some other work also other than the Bangalore city, especially Bangalore and the suburban area around 50-60 kilometer around, if you'll see, so they have a huge water scarcity. So especially in the Kolar, Chikballapur, Anekel, it is hardly 50-60 kilometer from the Bangalore. And this area has a huge shortage of water. Even you could have seen earlier, around 10 years back, hardly their lakes and their tanks were filled 3 to 4 months in a year. 8 months there was no water. So even the farmers was hardly growing only one crops. And because of that reason, so a lot of migration was there from those areas. So what we have done with the help of the government of Karnataka and Mine Irrigation Department, now BWSSB is pumping literally 850 MLD of water to the neighboring district of the Bangalore city and filling around 274 lakes. This is the highest reuse of water in India. So we are proudly can say currently this initiative has changed the entire scenario of the neighboring district of Bangalore city, and it is a very good example of circular economy, because this is not only give the impacts in terms of water, but also it now the crop pattern has changed there. The farmers are growing three types of crops in a year. Earlier they were growing hardly one crops. And their socio-economical lifestyle has also changed. Even the fisheries has grown like in many folds. So their economic condition also changed because of this water. Earlier, where the groundwater was depleted up to 1,500 feet, currently it is hardly 400 feet. So these all are changes is occur because of the whatever the wastewater we are treating in Bangalore city, we are pumping to these lakes of neighboring districts of Bangalore city. In this regard, I will request here to run one small video which will show you very nicely what we have done it in last 8 to 9 years, especially for the Kolar, Chikballapur and Anekel area of Bangalore city.
Roaring with triumph of human brilliance, where droughts whispered in despair, Witness a glorious transformation. The KNC Valley, where dreams followed magic of rejuvenation. In the heart of Karnataka, where water scarcity has been a relentless adversary, a visionary project has emerged to breathe life into the drought-stricken regions of Kolar, Chikkaballapura and Anekal. Meet the innovative project aiming to bridge the gap between water scarcity and agricultural needs. Today, we embark on a journey that seeks to transform the fate of these parched lands. The heartbeat of this initiative lies in the 140 lakes of Kolar, 65 lakes of Chikkaballapur and 69 lakes of Anekal, each eagerly awaiting their fill of revitalizing used treated water. In 1964, a special organization was formed by the government to make sure Bengaluru has clean water and takes care of used water. Let's discover the theory of this vital team. Bengaluru Water Supply and Sewerage Board ensures the supply of clean water and used water management. They work hard to make sure everything stays in balance, aiming not for profit but for the well-being of the people. The board isn't just for the city. It's a huge shielding body taking care across a huge area that is 800 square kilometers in total. Within Bengaluru's intricate urban framework lies a sewerage system spanning 11,894 kilometers. At the core of used water management, 33 sewerage treatment plants diligently purify our wastewater. Among them, the KNC Valley STP in Chalagatta, Bengaluru shines as a notable contributor. This facility symbolizes Bengaluru's commitment to sustainable used water management, standing as a beacon of environmental responsibility. A noteworthy 548 million litres per day of carefully treated used water finds purpose replenishing the lakes and tanks of Kolar, Chikkaballapur district and Anekal Taluk. Beneath the surface, a thoroughly designed underground sewage system seamlessly connects to the KNC Valley Sewage Treatment Plant, ensuring efficiency. Since its establishment in 1972, the KNC Valley Sewage Treatment Plant has achieved remarkable milestones in used water treatment. Over the years, it has successfully treated a cumulative total of 218 million litres per day of used water in 3 phases until the year 2006. In 2006, plant reached treating 218 MLD to 248 MLD used water. In 2018, the plant reached a noteworthy milestone by treating 60 MLD plus 90 MLD of used water, showcasing its dedication to effective water management. Fast forward to 2021, the plants achieved even greater heights by treating an impressive 150 MLD of used water, marking a significant increase in its capacity of 548 MLD. These achievements reflect the plant's commitment to sustainable used water treatment practices, contributing to the well-being of Central and South Bangalore. The KNC Valley STP stands as a symbol of progressive and environmental stewardship, ensuring a cleaner and healthier future for the community. At the KNC Valley Sewage Treatment Plant, used water undergoes a careful treatment process. The treated used water is then directed to minor irrigation pumping stations and from there pumped to Narsapura. This treated used water serves multiple purposes, from supporting livestock to rejuvenating lakes and recharging groundwater facilities. The KNC Valley Sewage Treatment Plant stands as a paragon, meeting and exceeding the stringent standards set by the regulatory bodies. Compliant with the National Green Tribunal and Karnataka State Pollution Control Board standards, the plant not only fulfills the prescribed criteria but goes beyond, ensuring the highest levels of used water treatment. In a remarkable feat of sustainability, the KNC Valley Sewage Treatment Plant not only champions used water treatment but also harnesses the power of innovation. Serving as a dynamic power generating unit, the plant proudly produces 2 megawatts of power, sufficient to meet the energy needs of around half of the entire KNC Valley STP. A substantial 500 million litres per day of meticulously treated used water is being systematically transported from the KNC and HN Valley sewage treatment plants to the scarce area of Kolar, Chikkaballapur district and Anekal Taluk. Here, it serves as a catalyst for positive change, rejuvenating 274 lakes and contributing to the ecological well-being of the region. BWSSB have tertiary treatment plants at Lalbagh, Kabban Park, V Valley, Yelahanka and Jakkur. The treated used water from these plants is source of revenue generation to BWSSB. These treated used water are being supplied to Bangalore International Airport, Bharat Electronics Limited, Indian Air Force, Railway Factory Yelahanka, ITC, Karnataka Power Corporation Limited, KIADB Industrial Area, Devanahalli, Kabban Park, Lalbagh Park, Legislative Assembly of Karnataka, Raj Bhavan, Bangalore Golf Club, Metro Construction and Tunnelling Works. Sale of treated used water other than supply to minor irrigation is being generating revenue in the tune of rupees 55 lakhs per month. Adding to its significance, a noteworthy 850 mld of total treated used water is being reused for groundwater rejuvenating filling lakes, landscape, industrial use, non-domestic use. This is the largest reuse of treated used water in India. Imagine a place where treated used water isn't just a solution for cities, it's a lifeline for villages. In dry period, it safeguards commercial fisheries, welcomes migratory birds, and breathes life into rural economies. This isn't just water management, it's a circular economy model in action. From a staggering 1,500 feet to a mere 300-400 feet, the improvement in groundwater facilities thanks to the innovative KC Valley is a game changer for farmers. In the past, despite drilling deep borewells, water scarcity plagued agriculture. Now, with the KC Valley breakthrough, farmers can access groundwater at significantly shallower depths. The KC Valley project is like a guardian for farmers in the changing climate. It is not just about used water. It is making sure farmers have stable jobs and the people don't have to leave their villages. This project is a guarantee that our food stays secure in the city and that folks in villages get the right nutrition. Wetlands are safe and the homes of fish and other water creatures are shielded. Even when it is dry, there's always enough water for everyone. Enter the heart of agriculture where the KC Valley project is the unsung hero. With a reliable water supply, farmers work magic, yielding plentiful crop for food security and economic stability. Water availability empowers diversification, letting farmers grow crops aligned with market needs and soil suitability, boosting incomes and overall productivity. The KNC Valley project stands as a pillar of success among all the initiatives of BWSSB. The KNC Valley project within this regulatory framework becomes more than a water initiative. It is a symbol of respect for every drop. The collaboration between the minor irrigation and BWSSB underscores a commitment to sustainable practices and responsible resource utilization. The KNC Valley project isn't just a hero, but a national model.
So this way BWSSB has initiated. When we started, we got a lot of opposition parties. Some political leaders are very much opposed, especially in this area where they were not accepting. So currently, now even we are proposing in STP, our every drops are being already MOU signed by the irrigation or minor irrigation department. They are taking, okay, though this is the new area, you please kindly book for this area. So the slowly their mindset is also going to change and changing. So currently wastewater is not just a wastewater, it is also helping to improve our circular economic, especially not for the Bangalore city, for the surrounding and the rural areas of the suburban area of Bangalore city. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot.